Good morning students. In this video we will learn about atmospheric pressure, the factors which affecting atmospheric pressure and about the winds. So let us start with atmospheric pressure. Air exerts pressure on everything on the earth's surface. It happens because the upper layers of the atmosphere rest on the lower layers. Atmospheric pressure can be defined as the force exerted by a column of air due to its weight at a particular place on the earth's surface. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure, and the unit in which air pressure is measured is called millibars. Mercury barometer and Android barometers are used to measure atmospheric pressure. Altitude, temperature and water vapor are the factors which affecting atmospheric pressure. Altitude. Air pressure is the highest at the sea level and decreases with altitude. That means as one goes up, the density of air decreases and so does the air pressure exerted by it. Temperature. When temperature increases, the air expands and its density decreases. That is why air becomes lighter and exerts less pressure. Water vapor. Air containing more water vapor is lighter than air which has little or no water vapor. There are 4 permanent pressure belts on the earth. They are the equatorial low pressure belt 5 degree north to 5 degree south, the subtropical high pressure belt 30 degree north and south to 35 degree north and south, the subpolar low pressure belt 60 degree north and south to 65 degree north and south, and the polar high pressure belt 90 degree north and south. Let us learn about the winds. What is wind? The horizontal movement of air is called wind. Wind always blow from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. They are named after the direction from which they blow. The direction of wind is measured by a wind vane and the speed of wind is measured by an anemometer. There are many types of winds. Let us learn about them. Planetary winds. Planetary winds blow in the same direction throughout the year. That is why they are also known as permanent winds. There are 3 types of planetary winds. The trade winds, which blow the subtropical high pressure belt to the equatorial low pressure belt in the both hemispheres. The westerlies, which blow from the subtropical high pressure belt to the subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemispheres. The polar winds blow from the polar high pressure belt to the subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemispheres. Periodic wind. Periodic winds, winds which blow in a particular direction during a specific time of the day or season. The monsoon winds are known as periodic wind, or they are also called seasonal winds. Local winds. Local winds blow over small areas for a short duration and they are associated with weather changes. They are known by local names like Lou in India, Foyne in Europe, Harmattan in Northern America, etc. And variable winds. Variable winds blow for a short duration and change their speed and directions frequently. That is why cyclones and anticyclones are formed. Thank you. Have a nice day.